the electric stoves and everything. This was what was actively used. This is the coal pot, this is the charcoal, and these are the pieces of wood over there. And then what you have, I know you are familiar with the matches already, or how do you call it? The same. Yes. And then we have the fan. So this fan, what do you think the fan is for? Yes, better. So that is so they all introduce, they mention their names, so that it's easy. You see, it's very appropriate to mention people with their names. So if you are assigned with a help, you can be able to say that, oh, Esther help me, oh, Ruth help me. And it's going to
Hello, the twins. I have twin brothers, one Teria, and my house name is Atre. So it's Na Atre Teria. I'm the supervisor. I'll be going around to check everything goes on well. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Esther Na Ajele. Na Ajele is my traditional name.
So you can call her Esther or Nadi.
I'm Chanel Na Ajele. Na Ajele is my traditional name.
I'm Dara. Na Ajoko is my traditional name. I'm Dara. Na Ajoko is my traditional name.
So she's Dara. So Esther, Chanel, Dara, Rosemond.
I'm Rosemond. Na Ajoko is my traditional name.
Well, I'm also Ruth.
So she's also Ruth, and then
I'm Comfort.
Yeah, so some of them will not be assisting you, some of them will be at the back washing the bowls, trying to make sure everything is set up for you. All these people have been working so hard to make sure that this cooking process goes very easier for you.
Honestly, I
Yeah, do it. Bring it closer. Do it. Bring it closer. Open the fan. How about lower now? It is made out of stainless steel. It is made out of stainless steel. It is called Dade saying. Can I hear say Dade? Saying Dade sponge over there, and then there's this. So this is what was used to cook. It's not like the other cooking pots that we have now. See, most of the cooking pots, like the non-stick and all that, they are not really healthy with the chemicals and everything. This is, can you hear me?
I am loving it. I think this is great. I like the process. I like the outside cooking of the tire. And I can't wait to taste it. Yes, it's gonna be on. Yes.
I'm here cooking jollof rice and chicken. You know, the best to ever do it. You know, Chef AJ. You know, check me out. Always check me out. My boy right here. This is my boy Israel. Yeah, I don't know you. So what?
Oh, it tasted really good. Yeah, I liked it. It was spice. I like the spice.
Yeah, I tasted it too. It tasted pretty good. I cook sometimes, but that's a little different than usual, and it tasted good with not even too many ingredients. Yes, I'll try to take it as much as I can remember at least.
Right now we're just letting the chicken sit in the marinate a little bit in the seasoning and in the vegetables just cooked over here. Cut up over here, and we're making the chicken and jollof rice for me.
The process is going well. We were able to make sure that everything was seasoned. We used this to crush up the materials to put it inside the pot so that it would simmer well, and then we cut these up so that we can saute them later. Chicken, and then the thing we put what we crushed up in here, which was garlic, peppers, onions, and one more item that I don't remember right now. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Where she would dance,